Hi, boys and girls. So I just wanted to go over with you the assignment that you turned in for reading. So under ELA, this week, you guys turned in this assignment. So this assignment was actually being worked on all this time. So you did little bits and pieces from the very beginning right here. So you should have started with ask and answer questions. Molly makes a difference. In this lesson, you actually started your writing paragraph, and then you continued it here, here, and then you wrote your final or your sloppy copy here, remember? And then this was your clean copy that you submitted here. So it was 4 weeks that you worked on this. So that means that when you turn your work into your teacher expects to see that really great work you've been doing for 4 whole weeks. So I wanted to go over with you what you saw. So way back in week 1, you were introduced to the idea of this sandwich graphic organizer and how you would write a good paragraph. So it says number 1, having your topic is just the beginning of your informative writing process. You need to introduce your topic with a topic sentence. So that's the first slice of bread. Then you need your juicy, crunchy, delicious details. These are the facts, examples, or explanations in an informative paragraph. So all that good, interesting stuff you're going to put in here on your sandwich. So your facts, examples, or explanations that go with your topic sentence. And then last, just like you started your sandwich with a slice of bread, you need to end it with a slice of bread. You need to close it up. The closing sentence has the very important job of holding all your details in place. So then you would remember that you saw this in your lessons. This is a little chart that gives you information. It tells you that informative writing has a main topic. This is the main focus of the text, and it has key details. These are words or phrases that give important information on a topic. So this boy is thinking, I want to help my community, but what can I do? So he's going to be thinking his topic is helping the community. And the details, that's going to be the what can he do? So in the beginning, you started off learning first about this. It's a juicy, crunchy, delicious details. Details support your topic and make your paragraph interesting. Readers need details to understand the topic. Details are very important. It is important to think about them before you write your topic sentence. I probably love crunchy lettuce as much as readers love supporting details in informative writing. Details tell, explain, or inform. They can be facts, examples, or explanations. So your first part of the assignment says Molly is a good example of how a citizen can make a difference in their community. Molly informs boaters to keep away from the shallow waters so her friend stays safe. Use the sandwich paragraph graphic organizer to help you record 3 details that answer the question, how can people make a difference in their community? Remember, details can be facts, examples, or explanations. You can think of a specific kind of person, like a police officer, teacher, neighbor, child, or librarian. Or you can just think of people in general. So do you remember this in the beginning? So they told you, can you tell me some ways people can make a difference in their community? So that's the topic. So your goal was to come up with just 3 details for how people can make a difference in their community. And we just have to list them right now. So maybe one could be people can clean up trash. Maybe another idea would be they could donate toys, or they could help people. So we just came up with some general ideas. You can come up with your own, of course. So next, we moved on to the topic sentence. You are ready to use what you have learned from all the lessons you did. I'm not going through each lesson, I'm just taking the chunks out. So now you're ready to learn or ready to write a topic sentence. You should feel good about that. So take out your sandwich graphic organizer that answers the question, how can people make a difference in their community? Use these steps to guide you as you write your topic sentence. So 1, the topic is already determined for you. The question tells us the topic, which is, how can people make a difference in their community? Look at the supporting details you already recorded on your organizer. What do your supporting details tell you about the topic? And then write your topic sentence. So remember, your topic plus what you want to say about the topic equals your topic sentence. All right, so we're going to look at what we did. So remember, we answered the question they asked us. People can make a difference in the community by cleaning up trash, donating toys, and helping people. So now we want to write a topic sentence because this is not a complete sentence, correct? Yeah. So here's the paper that you should have started for your sloppy copy. So all we had to do for this assignment was we just had to write a topic sentence and answer the question, how can people make a difference in their community? So this is our topic. My sentence is, there are many ways that people can help in the community. Remember, I just listed a bunch of ideas, so my topic sentence just lets my reader know I'm going to tell you all those ways. So my topic is ways people can help in the community. Next, we want to write detailed sentences. How can people make a difference in the community? Well, we had those 3 good ideas that we came up with, but now we want to create them into complete sentences and explaining how those ideas support our topic sentence, why each idea is important. So we're going to take out that sloppy copy paper again, and we're going to write our sentences. We want to make sure that we use tools to help with our spelling and make sure we have a subject and a verb in our sentences. We also want to make sure our sentences are complete with capital letters and periods at the end. So here's a checklist if you need a reminder. So here's another reminder. This is what we had to plan with. So these were our good ideas, but they're not complete sentences. So we're going to turn them into complete sentences. First, I'm going to do clean up trash. First, you can help in your community by picking up trash so everything is clean. So what are we doing? We're picking up trash. Why? So everything is clean. That's one way we can help in our community. Let's go to the next one. Donate toys. Also, people can help their community by donating old toys to those that are less fortunate. So we can donate toys to people who are less fortunate, which definitely makes your community a better place. So this detail also goes with my topic sentence. If you notice, as I'm writing, I'm also using these transition words that help me move from one idea to the next. These are great to use when writing a good paragraph. So let's do the last one. My last supporting detail is help people. So I said last, we can help our community by helping others. For example, you could help an elderly lady carry her groceries. So I gave an example to go with my detail. So helping people, helping an old lady with her groceries helps make our community a better place. So this is another good detail that helps support my topic sentence. So now that we have our great topic sentence and our crunchy details, we need to close that sandwich up. So our sandwich is almost complete, but we need to add that closing sentence. The closing sentence is similar to the topic sentence, but not quite the same. A strong closing sentence will reword the topic sentence, state the big idea of the paragraph, and not introduce new ideas. we're done with our new ideas, those were our crunchy details. If we add another new idea, then how are we going to keep all the good ideas in our sandwich? This is just a slice of bread, letting our reader know we're done. So there are many ways to conclude a paragraph. Rewording the topic sentence is one way to wrap up your ideas. Be careful when you reword something, you want to make sure that you say the information in a new way. So we're saying the same thing, but in a different way, not just changing one or two words. So now it's time for us to add to our sloppy copy. Remember, we started off with our ideas, and then we had our topic sentence. So remember, our top piece of bread is just going to be reworded differently to close up our crunchy details. So I said there are many ways that people can help in the community. How can I reword that to say the same thing, but I can say it differently? So I'm going to add my conclusion sentence. Communities become better places when people work together. Wow, that's just like my topic sentence, but I wrote the same idea in a different way. And now I finished my writing. I have written my sloppy copy, and now I can take that sloppy copy and write a nice, neat paragraph. So that's what you should have turned in over that 4-week period. So that way you can see how the lessons are laid out, and you want to make sure that as you're working each week, you do those little chunks of the assignment as you go, so then at the end, you're ready to turn in your wonderful product. All right, you guys did a great job.